Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to create MetaMask wallet using Chrome extension. Okay, first of all go to your favorite browser and search as MetaMask, and you can see something like the crypto wallet for DeFi and click on this. Okay, and if you scroll down, now you just click on download MetaMask. Okay, and here you can select this option, install MetaMask for Chrome. Now let's add that extension to Chrome. Let's wait for a few seconds, it will take some time. Once it was added, we can proceed. You can skip my video for a few seconds so you can save your time. Yeah. And now let's start with creating the wallet. Okay, I'm just clicking on I agree. If you have a wallet already, you can just import the wallet, but I don't have a wallet, so I'm just clicking on this button, create a wallet. Let's give some password here. I'm trying to give some strong password. Okay, and let's click checkbox. Meanwhile, open notepad. Okay, and guys, when you are creating, just have a look into this video. You can understand what is this secret recovery phase and how it's important. Okay, let's click on this. Now let's copy this. Now let's select this. Okay, based on this, bless panic clip and remove very cousin. And leave adjust other. And able stick exclude. I was done. Now I'm just clicking on confirming and just clicking on all done. Okay, now you can observe my wallet is got created. Okay, like this you want to do, guys. I hope you understand the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.